Hi students, let us continue with chapter 14 equation of line. So in our previous class we had completed till exercise 14b, right? So today let us start with the next part, that is we shall do more problems from exercise 14c. So before that let me explain you few concepts. What is x-intercept? So in a graph, this will be called as a, okay, you have 2 points here, you consider like that, okay, this part will be called as the x-intercept and this part will be called as the y-intercept, okay. So this is x-intercept and the y-intercept. So if a line meet the x-axis at a point, if I consider this as point A, that is called as from the origin, that OA is called as the x-intercept. Similarly, OB is called as the y-intercept. Okay. Now coming to the equation of a line. Equation of a line. So various forms of equation of straight lines are there. So the type 1, let me tell you what is type 1. Slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. So when the slope and the intercept are on the x-axis, so when the slope and intercept on x-axis, intercept on y-axis. So when the slope and the intercept on y-axis are given, it's given, these two are given, it's called as slope intercept form. Okay, that is a type 1. It's in page number 191 in your textbook, 191 and 192. Okay. So coming to the, in that case, how do you find what is the equation of line? I'm just coming to the equation of line alone. So in that case, please go through the derivations given in your page number 192. Okay, for more details. So just look into it. Your equation of line will be of this form: y is equal to mx plus c. This will be the required equation of line in the slope intercept form. Okay. So coming to the, and just explaining the formulas only. So clear derivation, please go through that. If you have any doubts, we can discuss that later. Okay. Now coming to the second topic, that is point slope form. Point slope form. When the slope of the line and the point in it are given, slope and point are given in this case, slope and point are given. Okay, in this case is how we are finding out the answer is the thing. So here slope is given and the intercept on the y-axis are given. We find it like this. You know m is the slope and intercept on y-axis is c. You will find it out this way. So point slope form is slope and the points are given. In that case, how do you find out? Your equation will be like this: y1 y minus y1 or y2 y1 minus y2, whatever it is. X minus x1 is equal to slope. Okay. So when you write it, you can get it as y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. This will be the required equation. Now next one, 2 points form. 2 points form. So when the coordinate of 2 points are given, in this case is line AB, 2 points of AB, that is A is equal to x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 is given. What will be slope of line AB? Slope of line AB equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 equal to m. This will be the slope of the line. So these are the 3 forms, type 1, type 2 and type 3. So in this cases, in 3 types the questions are given. How do we solve them? Okay. So we got an idea how to solve them up. So let us see and start with exercise 14c. Okay. So the first question is given to you as find the equation of line. Find equation of line 14c, exercise 14c. Okay. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept is given as 2. Y-intercept is equal to 2 and slope is equal to 3. Okay. So, y-intercept means that is c, slope is the m. So, what will be equation of line? Let me write it directly. Equation of line will be equal to y equal to mx plus c, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. Let us substitute y is equal to 3x plus 2. This will be our equation. Hope it's clear. Coming to the second question. Find the equation of line whose y-intercept, that is y-intercept is given as -1 and inclination is 45. So, you need to find m, if 45 degree means. So, it will be m is equal to tan theta, that is equal to tan 45 equal to 1. So, how can we write it? Y is equal to mx, that is x itself, 1 into x is x, minus 1, correct? Y is equal to mx plus c. So, this is your c, correct? C is equal to minus 1, so x minus 1. Okay, this will be our equation. Coming to the third question. Find the equation of line whose slope, here slope is given to you minus 4 by 3 and which passes through minus 3. So, when slope and one point is given, what will be the equation of the line? We already discussed about that. This will be the equation, right? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So, let us put that y minus, what is y1 here? 4 is equal to minus 4 by 3 into x minus x1 is minus 3. Minus into minus is plus 3. Okay. So, cross multiplying 3 goes here, you get 3 into y minus 4 equal to minus 4x minus 12. So, 3y minus 12 equal to minus 4x minus 12. So, minus 12 and minus 12 is getting cancelled, you will get 3y plus 4x is equal to 0. This will be the equation of the line. Hope it's clear to you all. Now, let us do the fourth question. Find the equation of line which passes through the point 5, 4, makes an angle 60 degree, theta is equal to 60 degree with the positive direction of x. So, I can take m is equal to tan 60 is equal to root 3, right? So, in this case, how do you solve it? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, correct? So, what do you get? Y minus 4 equal to m is root 3 into x minus 5. So, y minus 4 equal to root 3x plus root 3x minus 5 root 3. Okay. So, I can write it as y minus root 3x equal to 4 minus 5 root 3. Now, let us do the fifth question. Find the equation of line passing through. First question we have 0, 1 and 1, 2. Okay. So, we have already discussed about when 2 points are given, right? 2-point form. So, what is the equation? This will be the slope of the line is equal to this. So, find the equation of the line they have asked you. So, here let me make it clear. This equation will become like this. M into x2 minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1. Okay. M into x2 minus x1 equal to y2 minus okay. So, here actually what we do here is your equation of line will not be this. Slope we can find using this. Then finally your equation will remain as y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Let me come to that. So, here we have 2 points. First, using the slope points we need to find the slope. So, let us find the slope first. So, y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus 1 by 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. So, what is our equation? We have y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, what you do in this case is you need to use the slope as m here, okay, that we found using this points. So, next you can take either this value or this value and find the equation. Whichever value you take, it will be equal. Okay. So how do you do it? Y minus y1, let me take the first value itself, y1 is 1 equal to m into 1 into x minus 0. So I get y minus 1 equal to x minus 0. So y minus x is equal to plus 1 you get. If you have a doubt, if you do with this point, will we get the same equation? Yes, we will get. So let us see with that. Y minus y2, I will take 2, is equal to 1 into x minus 1, right? So y minus 2 is equal to x minus 1. When I take it this side, I get y minus 1 equal to x. That is equal to y minus x is equal to 1. So whichever point I take with the given slope, I will get the same equation. Okay. Now let us do the sixth one. Coming to the sixth question. Before that, we have one more question in fifth main that you can do it yourself. Okay. So for sixth question, the coordinates of 2 points P and Q. So P is given to you as 2, 6 and Q is given to you as minus 3, 5 respectively. Find the gradient of PQ and the equation of PQ. Gradient of PQ is the slope of PQ. What is the slope of PQ? Slope, gradient of the slope, that is m is equal to x1, y1, x2, y2. So you get 5 minus 6 by minus 3 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by minus 5. 1 by 5. Okay, that is a gradient. Now in order to find the equation of the line, what we need to do is we can take either of the points. So let me start with this only. So I can take y minus 6 equal to m is 1 by 5 into x minus 2. Okay. So y minus 6, 5 I can multiply there. 5 into y minus 6 equal to x minus 2. 5y minus 30 equal to x minus 2. 5y minus x equal to minus 2 minus plus 30 is 28. Hope it's clear. It's a second sub question. Okay. Now coming to the third sub question there. The coordinates of the point where PQ intersect the x-axis. Coordinates of the point where PQ intersect the x-axis. How do we find out? So we already have our equation is 5y minus x equal to 28. So coordinates when PQ intersect x-axis. Intersect x-axis means what will be the coordinate? It will be x0. Y will be equal to 0. Substitute that here. So what you will get? 5 into 0 minus x equal to 28. So you will get x is equal to minus 28. So what is the coordinate? Coordinate will be minus 28, 0. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now coming to question number 7. The coordinates of 2 points A and B are minus 3, 4 and B is 2 minus 1. Find the equation of AB. Equation of AB. How will you find? In order to do that, first we need to find the slope. Slope of AB we need to find. What is slope of AB here? Slope of AB is equal to minus 1 minus 4 by 2 minus of minus 3. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5 by 2 minus of minus, that is plus 5, that is equal to minus 1. So equation of AB. Equation of line AB. I can take any point. So let me start with A only. I will do with A. Y minus 4 equal to minus 1 into x minus 3. X minus of minus 3, that is plus 3. Y minus 4 equal to minus x minus 3. Y plus x equal to 1. This will be the equation of line AB. Now the coordinates of the point where the line AB intersect the y-axis. So intersecting y-axis means y-axis, what will be the coordinate? Coordinate will be 0y, correct? So substitute y is x is 0. So what do you get? 0 plus x is 0, right? So you will get y plus 0 equal to 1. So what is the value of y? 1. So what will be the coordinate in that case? 0, 1. Hope it's clear. Okay, coming to question number 9, we have a triangle ABC. A is 3, 5, B is 7, 8 and C is 1, minus 10. So the median through A, that is, let me take as a D here. What is the median? D will be equal to the midpoint of BC, right? Midpoint of BC. What is the midpoint of BC? That will be 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 plus into minus by 2. So what do you get? 8 by 2 minus 2 by 2 minus 2 by plus 2. So you will get 4 by minus 1. So this point will be 4 minus 1. So now using this AD, the points AD, I can find the slope of AD, right? Slope of AD equal to 3. So we have y2 minus y1 4, right? So what is our y2 here? I can take it as either 5, okay. Minus 1 minus 5 by 4 minus 3. So what do you get? Minus 6 by 1, that is equal to minus 6. Slope of AD is minus 6. So let me take the point A and find the equation. So equation of AD will be equal to y minus 5 into minus 6 into x minus 3. So what do you get? Y minus 5 is equal to minus 6x plus 18. So you'll get y plus 6x equal to 23. This will be the equation of the line through A, I mean median through A. Hope it's clear to you all. So let us continue with the rest of the questions in our next class. Thank you, students.